Hi, John.
Hey, Anna.
You're early today.
Yeah, I woke up on time.
That's new.
Haha, I know.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, toast and jam.
Yum. I had cereal.
Nice. Do you like cereal?
Only with cold milk.
Same here.
The bus is late again.
As always.
It's always late on Mondays.
Mondays are lazy.
Like you sometimes.
Hey, that's not fair.
Just kidding.
I know.
What time is it?
It's 7:40.
The bus comes at 7:45.
Maybe 7:50.
Yeah, probably.
Do you see it?
Not yet.
I hope it's not broken again.
Like last week.
We had to walk that day.
My feet were tired.
Mine too.
Do you like walking?
Only when it's not hot.
It's nice today, though.
Yeah, cool and sunny.
Perfect for waiting.
Perfect for sleeping.
Don't sleep now.
Haha, I'm joking.
You always joke.
It's my job.
Really? You get paid?
Only with smiles.
That's cute.
Thank you.
Do you have your bus card?
Uh-oh. Maybe.
Maybe.
Let me check.
You always forget it.
Wait, found it.
Good boy.
Thanks, Teacher Anna.
Stop that.
Haha, okay.
Do you have coins?
For what?
For the snack machine.
Oh, yes, I have too.
Great. I'm hungry.
Already?
I told you I had cereal.
Cereal doesn't last long.
True.
What will you buy?
Maybe a cookie.
Again?
Cookies make me happy.
I see that.
What about you?
I'll get chips.
Classic John.
Always.
I think I hear the bus.
Really?
Wait, no, that's a truck.
Oh, man.
Don't worry, it'll come.
I hope so.
What will we do if it doesn't?
Run?
No way.
Come on, it's good exercise.
You can run, I'll wave.
Haha, deal.
Do you like buses?
Not really.
Why not?
Too many people.
True, sometimes it's crowded.
And loud.
But it's cheap.
That's the best part.
Do you sit or stand?
Sit, if I can.
Same.
Sometimes I read on the bus.
Really? What do you read?
Comics mostly.
Of course.
What do you do?
I listen to music.
Nice. What songs?
Pop music.
Me too.
We have the same taste.
High five.
Ha ha ha. Still no bus.
Let's check the app.
Good idea.
It says 5 minutes.
That's not bad. We can wait.
Yup, we have time.
Do you ever miss the bus?
Many times.
Because you wake up late?
Guilty.
You should sleep earlier.
I try.
Do you play games at night?
Maybe.
Aha.
Okay, yes.
What games?
Racing games.
That's why you're slow in the morning.
Haha, maybe.
Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Finally.
Get your card ready.
Got it.
Let's line up.
After you.
Such a gentleman.
Always.
The door's opening.
Hello, driver.
Good morning.
Let's sit by the window.
Yes, I like the view.
Me too.
Finally, we're on the bus.
We made it.
That was a long wait.
But fun with you.
Oh, that's sweet.
It's true.
Okay, now to school.
Team Bus Riders.
Nice name.
Let's go.
Ready for another adventure?
Always with you.
Oh, John.
I'm serious.
You're funny.
I know.
Okay, let's enjoy the ride.
Agreed.